Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law nga ba? Boyle's law states that the pressure is inversely proportional to its volume while having a constant temperature and moles. And the real-life example of this law is the syringe. When you pull the plunger back, the volume inside increases, reducing pressure and drawing air in, increasing pressure and forcing air out. When you pull the plunger, the volume decreases. And this is the formula for Boyle's law. And that's the end. I'm Mark Daniel D. Maninang from Grade 10 Bonifacio.
My name is Jennifer Trina.
My name is Jayden Sarbueso.
Di na kita kukulitin.